Alright guys, now let's go and deal. Look, we got many things to delete. I imported some things also. So let's go and deal with the delete functionality. So delete about, okay, we need const delete. We are gonna put equal with, we need an ID specific, which is like identity, in order to see what to delete. Delete about equal with. So we need, before going and making Axios request, let's delete from UI. Okay, we are gonna create a const about filter del equal with about data dot filter. Yes, we need item dot id which does not match the ID, the actual ID. Now we need in set about data to put the about the filter del that we created. Okay, let's see what happened if I try to delete something. First of all, we need to import, copy the deal inside where we have some icons. Okay, here we need to put the on change. Man, why does not update? It's gonna be no one change. What I'm doing on click is gonna be, guys, this delete about, and of course we need to target a specific ID, and for this reason the ID is, look, what is the ID of this specific thing? The dash ID. Okay, this is the item, exactly this. Copy and put it here, the specific ID. Okay, we need this specific ID to target the specific ID. We take as parameter the ID, and we say, then we are making a filtering. We say about data.filter item. Item.id, we do the same thing again. Imagine we compare this with this, which we are taking as parameter. So let's go and see what happened right now. I'm gonna reload it. Let's delete the A. Boom, 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 boom. But look now, if I reload the page, all the data are gonna come again. The reason, because we deleted this data only from our web page, or only from the UI. We have to delete it also from database, right? Let's do it right now. So we need to go here. Where is the delete? Okay, let's make a Axios.delete, a delete request. We need to go in about, okay, and then to target the specific ID, which is the ID. It's the ID that we put here. In reality, it's the item.dash-id. After this, let's make a dot then, okay, use a promise, res, right, we need the set message count to be true, okay, after this, and set message to be let me see, set message is gonna be res.data.msg. Then I'm going to put a set timeout okay, we want a limit of 2 seconds. It's gonna be, let's copy this, control copy, it's gonna be false. Let's put also a dot catch pair, just gonna use a log, okay. Right now let's try to delete, okay, I'm gonna delete a okay, I'm gonna reload right now, and as you can see all have been deleted from database, but I can't see the message. I'm gonna search for a while about the message, guys. Something happened right now, so I'm gonna just stop for a while. Okay guys, we try to fix some problems here. We can see the message. First of all, we need to put the message inside the same item. Here inside, just cut it, okay, and paste it. After this, if you just write something, for example, let's see manually, okay, we see here, let me see, okay, you see this tab, right, I don't want this to happen right now, right? Let me see, another thing that I want to mention is that let's put a cursor pointer here, go to admin and just search for .fa trash after .fa edit and put a cursor of pointer, okay, and now look, we got pointer. Close this. Now let's go try, let me see, and edit something, right? Let's, okay, let's reload. If I delete, nothing happened. Let me see the reason. New delete item, delete tab. Yes, because we haven't put the message. Okay, we want to see the message. Item deleted. Alright, if I look now, item deleted, and we want to close after 2 seconds. Let me see why it does not close. Go here. Set message condition. Let me see, guys. By default, the set message condition is gonna be false. Yes. I reload. Okay, let's add something. Blah 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 blah. Again, reload. Let's delete. Item deleted. And let me. Alright, guys. We were stuck somewhere. If I delete here, look, item deleted, and it does not go after 2 seconds. What we have to do? We have also to go here in then and put set message to be an empty string again, right? So right now we take let me see, let's for example add something here, blah 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 blah, reload. Right now if we delete, look, item deleted, and boom, everything works. It is going after 2 seconds empty. This is the set message that we have here. Alright, we finished, and as we can see, I'm gonna show you something else. We take dynamically the item deleted, as you saw, from the backend. Look. Root about. No, we want the controllers about CTRL. Look, we have the item deleted and the MSG here. For this reason, we put it. We wanted to take here the. Look here, guys. The in set message we put it. See here inside we have put it the res.data.msg, which is here. The MSG is this item deleted. Okay. So what's the next step right now, guys? We finished with this deleted, right? If I want, I can put here the about data. Okay, and every time I'm gonna put something, look, boom, we can see it. We can delete it. Bye. right? Also, we can do a trick, another trick. Let's make another trick. In order to auto reload the data, we are just going, let me see, no, inside the fetch, we need to go in submit and submit here and just put set about data, and we are gonna put here what we need, all the about data, and also we need the post about. Okay, look now what is gonna happen. I can put boom, look, we just put in the UI and it is already has gone in the backend, right? Boom, boom. Okay, but we got problem. He doesn't know what to delete right now. For this reason, he deletes the two. Look, bam, bam, bam. Look, he's gonna delete all. Okay, I'm gonna make a trick here. Look, rejection, throw in a sync function. I'm gonna make a true. Set about. Okay, let's make alright, put here also in text and key item.id or index. Alright, let's reload right now. Look, now it deletes the specific ID. We don't have the problem. And if I also reload, look, we got this. Inspect element. We don't have errors. Let's put boom, right, boom, right, right, we don't have errors. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, it seems the same, the problem doesn't work correctly. So the best way is with the use effect, guys. Yes. Let's see. Okay, yes, I told you the best way is with use effect. So let's go again. I want to stop this thing right now. Just go here, disable what we got. Alright, now let's go. Let's delete. Let's put something. Boom. Boom. If I load, and again I can see all the. Okay, I'm gonna stop and continue with another things.